Hello, hi. So I'm back to the house. Now what I'm doing is packing, getting ready for tomorrow. So this is the hairstyle I went with. I've realized I love knotless too much. Yeah, so they have green at the end, olive green, I'll call it that. Yeah, so that's how they look. So right now what I'm doing is getting ready to pack, and then I sleep for a bit, then wake up to go catch my flight for tomorrow. So talk later. Bye. So this is my packing situation right now on my bed. So that's how it looks. I want to organize everything. For a 2-day trip, I'm carrying a lot of stuff, but what is packing with Sheila not overpacking? Anyway, let's get to it. Into the thick of it. So my bags are packed. I'll be carrying 3 bags, so I'll be carrying this, and this. I always overpack, don't mind me. I won't be carrying those 2. Yeah. So I have a few chores I need to do before I go to sleep. I'll be cleaning up the utensils, take a shower, then I sleep so that I can be up early tomorrow in the morning. It's almost midnight. It's around, I think 11. What's the time? Let me check. It's 10:59. Actually, it's 11 now. It's 11 p.m. So that's it for now. Let me get ready for the day tomorrow by making sure I sleep early. I can't imagine myself being left by the flights. Anyway, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. So fingers crossed I don't get late. I don't want. But for me, I've never had a problem when I'm traveling, and I hope tomorrow won't be it. So let me finish up so that I can sleep. I won't be showing you whatever else is remaining because I'm just showering and then washing the utensils, then I sleep. Anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one as I head to Chale. Bye. Good night.